Ever wondered about the nature of the universe and the possibility of other dimensions existing in the same space-time? Let's dive into this fascinating concept. Imagine the universe not just in three dimensions we perceive, length, breadth, and height, but with dimensions existing beyond our perception. These unseen dimensions could potentially hold the answers to the mysteries of the cosmos. This brings us to one of the most intriguing theories in modern physics, the string theory. So, what exactly is the string theory, you may ask? Well, let's delve into this fascinating concept. Imagine, if you will, a universe where everything we've come to know as fundamental particles, electrons, quarks, photons, are not just minuscule dots, but rather they are tiny vibrating strings. This is the intriguing premise of string theory, a theoretical framework that seeks to reconcile the seemingly incompatible realms of quantum physics and general relativity. String theory suggests that the basic constituents of reality are these infinitesimal strings of energy, vibrating at different frequencies. Just like the strings on a guitar, each vibration corresponds to a unique note, which in turn represents a unique particle. In essence, the universe as we know it is not made up of distinct isolated particles, but rather it's akin to a grand symphony with each string playing its own unique note. This paints a picture of the universe as a harmonious orchestration of these vibrating strings, contributing to the cosmic melody that is our reality. So, why does this matter? Well, string theory is a potential candidate for the elusive theory of everything, a unifying theory that can coherently explain all physical phenomena in the universe. This theory, though complex, could be a major game changer in our understanding of the universe. Now, isn't that something intriguing to ponder upon? Now, how does the string theory accommodate the concept of multiple dimensions? In our day-to-day lives, we experience 4 dimensions, 3 spatial dimensions, length, width, and height, and 1 temporal dimension, time. This is the world as we know it, but string theory, the cutting-edge framework aimed at reconciling quantum mechanics and general relativity, shakes things up a bit. It postulates that our universe may not be as simple as it seems. String theory suggests that there may be more dimensions than the 4 we're familiar with. In fact, it predicts the existence of 10 dimensions, 6 more than we experience daily. But where are these extra dimensions hiding, you might ask? Well, they might be right under our noses, just incredibly small, so small that they are imperceptible to us. Imagine a tightrope walker high above a circus floor. To an observer far away, that tightrope is a one-dimensional object, just a simple line, but up close, that tightrope has more dimensions. It has a width, a tiny bit of depth. It's not just a line, but a cylinder. However, from afar, those dimensions are so minuscule that they appear non-existent. This is how string theory explains the extra dimensions. They are curled up at such tiny scales that we don't notice them in our everyday lives. These dimensions are right here, intertwined within the very fabric of the universe, just waiting to be discovered. Yet these tiny dimensions, unseen and unfelt, could have a profound impact on the fundamental laws of physics. They might be the key to the grand unification of forces or the explanation for the enigma of dark matter. They could even hint at the existence of parallel universes, a concept that has tantalized science fiction writers for decades. In other words, the universe might be far more complex and fascinating than we can currently comprehend. Indeed, if string theory proves correct, we're just at the beginning of our cosmic journey of discovery. Let's highlight some of the key points about the string theory. At its core, string theory suggests that the universe is made of tiny vibrating strings of energy, not the particles we've always imagined. These strings, too minute to see even with the most advanced technology, are the building blocks of everything that exists. Now, these strings aren't just sitting around, they're pulsating, vibrating, and it's these vibrations that give particles their properties. Think of it like a cosmic symphony, with each string playing a unique note. Each note corresponds to a different particle, and the tune they play together is what we perceive as the universe. But the music of string theory doesn't stop there. It also introduces the possibility of multiple dimensions. Apart from the 3 dimensions of space and 1 of time that we are familiar with, string theory suggests there could be additional dimensions, as many as 7, that are curled up so tiny that we can't perceive them. Imagine if all this while we've been living in a reality far more complex than we could ever comprehend. Perhaps the most significant aspect of string theory is its potential to unify quantum mechanics and general relativity, two theories that have been at odds for decades. Quantum mechanics deals with the smallest particles in the universe, while general relativity explains the behavior of massive objects and the nature of gravity. String theory could be the bridge between these two, providing a single framework that explains both the microscopic and macroscopic universe. It's important to remember, though, that string theory is still a theory. It's not yet proven, and there are many questions that remain unanswered. But it's a theory that is pushing the boundaries of our understanding, challenging our perceptions, and opening up a world of possibilities. The string theory, though not yet proven, opens up a world of possibilities that could revolutionize our understanding of the universe. In essence, the string theory is a fascinating gateway into the mysteries of the universe. It's a theory that offers a unique perspective on the nature of reality, allowing us to imagine the existence of dimensions beyond our familiar three. We've dived into the heart of this theory, from the concept of strings as the fundamental building blocks of matter, to the mind-boggling notion of a universe with 10 or even 26 dimensions. It's a journey that has taken us from the very small to the unimaginably large. And it's a journey that is far from over. The world of string theory is still full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. The importance of ongoing research in this field cannot be overstated as it continues to push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. If you've enjoyed this journey through the dimensions of the universe, please remember to hit the subscribe button for more intriguing insights into the world of science.